holds 6 machines. Wow. We're pulling 6 machines up this pass, guys. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children. 5 of them are small. 5 blue ones and a pickaxe. Wow. The driver has already crossed the first curve. Now we're going to go to the next corner. The ocean is very rough today, guys. Maybe it's the weather that's about to get this storm. Hi. Wow. Maybe only the A's. Hole. It's a beautiful picture like that, guys. Wow, that's beautiful. This cup is boring, guys, because the motor cars up here, mostly. It's very hard. There's been a lot of cars that have been hit by 7 people here. Right in my place standing here. Hi, 2 guys. The 2 teachers are very friendly. Today I will turn. This video is a tribute to the 2 heroes. The sea journey, my friends. And now continue up and end this paragraph. The car's going up to the 3-story bend. This is a pretty beautiful part. That's a nice car, guys. This will now go up to the top of this 3-tiered bend. Drive out to the pass. It's so beautiful, guys. Then, now we're going up to the next bend right above. A Sitrak G7-540 is a very powerful machine. The top number of rows is all. This is the bend near the bridge, guys. That. The captain kept raising his hand to greet me in the twists and turns when you meet. Then now, there are also a lot of motorized car drivers are losing momentum here. Now we're going up to the banana bend. It's a very curvy bend, and the road is sad. This banana field, guys. The driver is a crab extension to up the pass. So beautiful. The car has already crossed this bend. The weather today on the pass is quite murky and windy. The driver will continue with the journey. This is the end of the climb. This is the first turn on the ocean side. These guys. Dad is mine. The driver successfully overcame this curve, and now we're going to move on to these twists and turns. It's so beautiful, guys. The car of the day. It's so beautiful today, guys. I have to say, wow, so beautiful. UI. A cup of this crab, and then finally a cup of crab at the foot of the pass. Wow, that's beautiful, guys. It's too bright, guys. I turned the light down. Hi, two guys. And maybe I can stop the video here too. Here you are. If you like the video, leave a like and a share. Let everyone see it. And press a sign up button to support yourself. Thanks and see you.